So, today I will be assembling the Yunique cat tree. I got it on Amazon. One of y'all sent it to me for my birthday, so thank you so much. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I got my cat here. So, you start with this piece. But it has the screws are upside down, so all right. So far, so good. What do you think, Rosario? Are you excited? And screw those all the way down. Pretty cool, they can just ship a whole cat tree in a box now. Alright, so I got these poking up. So now, hi, are you gonna help? Oh, he left his box in order to see. You're a good boy, what are you doing? Alright. So, I think, do these have a side? This says A and A, so I guess they're both the same. Okay. Can you just screw it on? Does it work like that? Kinda, not really. Alright, I will have to use the wrench. Sorry, Rosario, you're gonna have to get up, buddy. I know. Alright. And come on. Yeah, I know. Here. You wanna sit in this part? There you go. There you go. Perfect. Good. Screw these in. It seems like he likes it so far. Alright. So and the last one. Here we go. Okay. Those seem pretty good and sturdy now. We got step, what are we on? Step 2. Alright, so we've got And then the third one is a double screw. So we'll do that. So one of these, can you see it? Alright, so this goes down here like this. Probably good. And then needs another third foam roller. Okay. And then medium. Alright, looking good so far. So now I need to put one of these double-sided screws in the top here. And I do have an assembly video, but like, what fun is that? Alright, and then it's got a little like a doorway here, so very cute. Rosario is a very big cat, so he may or may not, I mean, he can fit through there. We've got you got the springy thingy. You like the springy thingy? No, you don't like it? Okay. So I'm gonna screw that in here like so. But it's like, oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes perfect sense. Is it righty-tighty if it's upside down? Okay, there you go. Alrighty, and do that one here. Like so. Yeah, and now that is very stable actually. That is good. So then I need the short thing on top of here. Like so. Good. Very good. So, this will go here. Okay, yeah, this is solid, this is solid. Alright, so there's like little strings under here supposed to attach the hammock to. Here's the last one. Okay. So there is a little hammock for him right there. Very nice. Alright, so then this part goes up here. Either that or I'm missing it somewhere. But I think I got them all in. So that goes there. Like so. Alright. And here it is in all its glory. It looks great.